So a lot of people don't know this, but these 1-inch filters are really only designed to protect your air conditioning system. They don't do anything air quality control really. So I put in a 5-inch filter, a little transition on the bottom here of our air conditioner. I made a little transition here to direct the air and prevent return duct leakage. And put the filter base in here. It's actually gasketed, so it helps prevent any air from getting around the filter. But I didn't use Pookie because really, as long as you're using mastic tape and you squeegee, you don't have to worry about air leaking. I did a little transition on this side also, and put tape on the inside. Alright, so the biggest benefit here with getting an oversized filter is it improves your airflow. And so that's really the key to improving air quality, because that gives you the ability to put in a higher MERV rated filter. So we went from MERV 8 to about a MERV 11, and we actually have higher airflow than we did before even then. So that allows us to even go up higher than that if we want to further improve our air quality. And so we are in climate zone 1 down here in San Antonio, so we're really wanting about 350 CFM per ton, even though I'm at over 400 CFM per ton, but we're able to keep a nice dry environment in our house, actually well within our comfort dew point range. Another thing that really helps you save time and money by having an oversized filter is how often you need to change your filter. So with a 5-inch, most often we're going to have to change our filter is every 6 months, although I suspect we're not even going to have to change it that often. And when you have a oversized filter like this, it means you're going to actually be able to catch more particulate in the filter, and having a high MERV rated filter means there's less stuff that's going to get through into your equipment as well. So that means you're going to have less wear and tear on your system, of course, assuming your static pressure isn't too high. So you want to pay attention to that. But our rated static pressure is at 0.4 total external static pressure, and we were right on the money with this setup. So I don't see any reason why we're going to have any problems there. And so for those of y'all that also don't know, about 45-degree evaporator saturation temp is what you want to shoot for comfort cooling applications like this. So we're right there. And another thing you want to pay attention to when you're putting in you're changing airflow like this is look at your super heat, make sure you're getting pure vapor back to your compressor so you're not damaging anything at the outdoor unit. After putting in a filter base like this, I would highly recommend doing a measure quick report to check and see if it picks up return duct leakage, which more than likely is going to be due to air bypassing the filter base that you just put in. So again, though, as long as you use butyl tape and you're squeegeeing that tape down, you shouldn't have any air leakage. One thing I've also noticed about a week after we've installed this filter base is our run time has gone down by about an hour, and we've maintained a very dry, evenly temperature controlled environment in the house. So multiply that times about 52 weeks, you can see why that's a pretty big deal. I've been very happy with the results from this project. Looks like we're still dehumidifying very well, and our capacity is just about right where it should be. This is a 3.5 ton system, so our total BTUs per hour is about 41,000. It should be about 42,000. So we've got good sensible heat ratio balance between our BTs per hour moving. So if y'all are interested in putting in an oversized filter, I'll go ahead and leave all the materials and tools needed to do this in the description.